Races, repeater KG4EUB.
David, you need to get out and talk to that man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been on the ground for over 2 hours.
EF4 EMG, are you at 44? Monitoring Shoal Creek. Roger, we got you in there. This particular storm is going to affect anywhere north of Ohatchee.
David, Randall called you.
Rainbow City. We do have 2 stations that's in the general path. We've got you logged in. W4 EMG, what you
Talk to him. Tell him we got it in
W4
sight.
EMG, and I'm sitting right here, got a very good vantage point. I'm actually south side of this storm. Got a good view. It does have rotation. West of me right now.
Okay, yeah, you're barely into the repeater. A lot of static and white noise in there with you.
Give him a call. Call him.
So just, if I have to get you to repeat it, make sure you do so. It's now due west of you right now.
Yeah, roger that. Like I say, if you can't hear me, I'll try 800.
Okay, yeah, let's stay right here as long as we can. If you do see it, let me know in here, then we'll have to clear to 800 and go from there, if it'll make it over there. Alright, just let me know. Right now, it is just on the northwest side of Raglan at this time.
Where's my phone?
Back over here, though.
Huh?
That's the lane all behind me.
That's the back part of it, yeah. I'll call the brain and the pair. I don't know.
WX4CAL in the Calhoun County Areas Races Group. We are activated. We are under tornado warnings in Calhoun County. It will affect the northwest corner of Calhoun County. However, there are other cells just to the southwest that will be affecting Shelby, Talladega, and the southern part of Calhoun County in the Oxford-Anniston area here within about an hour or so. So don't just lay down on this. Make sure you get prepared for another storm to hit. This is KG4ED.
That's your phone. You calling?
I'm calling her.
EF4
Hey, baby.
Last station just broken.
We are right here on the tornado.
So time is 7.
Can you hear me? Well, there's a lot going on. Anyway, we are on the tornado. I mean, we are sitting right here on it. So, Randall was trying to get in touch with David to see if we'd found it yet, but yeah, we found it. It's kind of hard to miss it. Yeah, well, like I said, I just wanted to call and let you know. Yeah, and I'm videotaping it for y'all to see, so. Yes. Yes. Can you hear me?
You.
It's on the ground and it's fixing to come over the mountains.
Yes, this is WX.
Okay.
Just crossing into Calvin County from second just north of the Ohatchee area, the Big Oak communities, south side, actually south side, Big Oak, Silver Lake, Wellington, those communities in northwestern.
Okay, just received TX from David. He's in a bad spot, but he does have the tornado on the ground. David, if you can, move to 800 megahertz.
EF4 PAL, this is EF4 RGR. I'm at my location. I'm monitoring and won't check in.
Down forward.
Move.
Yeah,
It's coming straight at us. Come on, we gotta go.
I'm almost.
David's moving.
At 144 now.
Can't really see it spinning.
No, it's in there.
You seen it a while ago, like it was real dark in the middle of it, like behind them apartments.
Over there.
I had a tree, well, two trees go through my trailer today, this morning. And that one
see
came.
the wall right there, the black dark.
Yeah.
Now Hunter said he don't know if he's gonna be able to help us, because he said he don't know if he'll be able to get up.
What y'all doing?
We gotta go get them two trees off the house. Some lenders leaving them through the house.
Yeah, we can't see it though. They usually come, they say from the back side is where the wind's with them. Yeah, there was two. There's one in North Birmingham and one coming Pinson and Clay Chalk. Look straight up. That is, whoever's in that basket, fucked up. We're finna get wet.
got a tornado on the ground. First one. I mean, look at it. Oh my God. Hold on. Hold on. But did you get in?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I see that stuff moving. Alright, you keep videoing it.
Yeah, take him in the yellow room.
Moving. Awesome. Moving.
Here, take this one. Oh my goodness, Mama, look! Look at
Is it there? There? Not yet. Hey. I can hear you. You see that? Out here, Jack. Hey, is that good out? It might be. Where? Holy crap! Out there. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't hear none of this crap. We're at Ohatchee. We're right in the middle of this disaster.
Got that motherfucker.
We're at a house. We're at Paul's right now. We're at his mama. Yeah, his mom's house. We're at a house. We're at a house today. That is spinning, y'all. That is spinning. Alright, well, y'all be safe. Alright, love you, bye.
That was pretty, wasn't it?
Seriously, Jack, look at this. It looks like it's going around. You'll hear the freight chime, won't we? Not necessarily, baby. No, you'll hear. Over there, it's going that direction. Over here, it's coming this way. It is spinning. This is a huge spinning cell right here.
There it is.
Right dead smack in the middle of it. Car, you better get somewhere.
Yeah, car, get somewhere. You're such a dork. Our street light's out. Where's Tyler at? Limit.
That's a tornado. Yeah. And it's close. It's coming up on us, so.
Get in the house, son.
Well, this is the first.
Lights out.
Oh, what is that? See that? Yeah. Is that it? There's stuff feeding off of it, I know that. Yeah, that don't look as bad now.
Alabama, or I'm sorry, near Piedmont Boulevard and 15th Street, and again, that tag, you know, you see that 60.
I got it.
Guess where that was found? Graceville. That was a tag from Compilation County, found in the Piedmont metro area. That's about 50 miles away. I think that was
Looking straight up to there.
Yeah,
can't see too good because of the trees right now, but I'm just going to get me clear spot. Oh my Lord.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my goodness. We better get back right now. Turn around.
Hold on.
Lee, turn around. Okay, I'm stopping it.
Tornado warning.
It is right there.
Tornado warning. Tornado warning.
Look at the power line. Oh my Lord. Look at that tree down.
I can go on over there.
No.
Yeah, I can.
Look, that car's turning around. You better turn around.
And for those of you in Chelsea and around Island Lake, and
that's an ugly storm right there. This thing got stronger back over in the back there. Yeah. It wasn't that dark a while ago.
Is that two tornadoes? One right over there and one right over there?
I don't think so.
Or is that just a debris cloud or something?
No, the debris ball's gonna be with
I
the
know,
tornado.
right there.
And that may be the tornado.
No, I'm pretty. Didn't y'all just see one come out of it?
It was that one.
Yeah. 'Cause that one right there was over there a minute ago and it hadn't come down yet. That one just now formed. That's one we sat and watched form.
It may be the second day.
No, but look, that's not the same.
Second one they were talking about come through Birmingham, ain't it?
No, look, there's three of them. There's one right here that hadn't touched, it's still like a low flying cloud, but look, past it, it looks like the same cloud, but you can tell it ain't the same cloud. Past it. And that looks pretty bad.
It goes across through south side and stuff. I can get my boss in there.
Well, it ain't looking too promising for people at the dam right now, is it?
I'd hope nobody'd be down there.
No, I'm talking about people who live around there, but.
Oh, I thought you were talking about fish.
Oh, yeah. Alright, man, let's go fishing during the tornado.
I got caught one of these fishing.
Well, you're.
I was all the way up the
dumb.
south side. I put in the lake. I was all the way up on the other side of the south side bridge fishing, and it just hit out of nowhere. I pulled up in a boathouse. My bill's pumped running 90 to 90.